Hi viewers, welcome back to our channel Easy Way to English. So far we have discussed important MCQs on the prologue to the Canterbury Tales. Today we are going to discuss the summary of Chaucer's prologue to the Canterbury Tales. Yes. Summary Part 1. Boccaccia's Decameron provided way for Chaucer's Canterbury Tales. In Canterbury Tales, Chaucer sketches men and women grouped together on a pilgrimage to Canterbury. They have gone on a pilgrimage to worship Thomas Becket. The pilgrims, they were going on a pilgrimage to Canterbury, which was the place of Thomas Becket. The prologue to Canterbury Tales bestowed Chaucer two titles. What are they? They are the father of English poetry. Chaucer was the father of English poetry and he was the father of English novel. There was a discussion in Tabard Inn in Southwark. There was a discussion in Tabard Inn in Southwark. Chaucer brings to life the citizens of 14th century. Chaucer brings to life the citizens of 14th century. Here, Chaucer brings follies and foibles of people of 14th century. The host of the Tabard Inn is Harry Bailey. The host of the Tabard Inn is Harry Bailey. Harry Bailey proposed stories. The pilgrims should tell stories on their pilgrimage to Canterbury. Stories with adventure. For meaningful and amusing story, dinner will be given at the expense of others in the Tabard Inn. Stories with adventure. For meaningful and amusing story, dinner will be given at the expense of others in Tabard Inn. Two tales are told in prose. They are Chaucer's tale and Parson's tale. Let us repeat the same fact. Chaucer's Canterbury Tales, Summary Part 1. Boccaccia's Decameron provided way for the Canterbury Tales. Chaucer sketches men and women grouped together on a pilgrimage to Canterbury. They are going on a pilgrimage to worship Thomas Becket. The prologue bestowed Chaucer two titles. They are Chaucer, the father of English poetry, and Chaucer, the father of English novel. There was a discussion in Tabard Inn in Southwark. The prologue brings to life citizens of 14th century. The prologue brings out the follies and foibles of people. The host of the inn is Harry Bailey. The host of the inn is Harry Bailey. Host proposes stories. Stories with adventure. For meaningful and amusing story, dinner will be given to the person at the expense of others. Two tales are told in prose. They are Chaucer's tale and Parson's tale. Two tales are told in prose. They are Chaucer's tale and Parson's tale. Chaucer's tale, one of the story is Sir Thomas. The other tale is the tale of Meliborin. Chaucer tells two stories. They are Sir Thomas' tale and Meliborin's tale. Parson's tale is about deadly sins. Parson's tale is about deadly sins. And Pardoner's tale is about the danger of covetousness. And the Pardoner's tale is about the danger of covetousness. Willie's tale is about cock caught by fox. The clerk's tale is about Griselda. The clerk's tale is about Griselda. The merchant tells a tale of old husband January and wife May. The miller tells the story of dull-witted carpenter, his wife, and two suitors. Miller tells the story of dull-witted carpenter, wife, and two suitors. Reeve tells the story of cuckolded miller. Reeve tells the story of cuckolded miller. The friar tells the story of an extraordinary summoner. Friar tells the story of an extraordinary summoner. Prioress tells the story of pious Christian child. Prioress tells the story of pious Christian child. Knight is the personification of chivalry. He is the lover of truth, honor, freedom, and courtesy. He is the lover of truth, honor, and freedom and courtesy. The knight participates in battles for country and religion. The knight participates in battles for country and religion. The knight is loyal to Edward III. He takes part in Christian and non-Christian battles. He takes part in Christian and non-Christian battles. He visits Belmaria, Laia, Atlantic and Mediterranean Sea. He visits Belmaria, Laia, Atlantic and Mediterranean Sea. He knows the laborer's weakness. He knows the laborer's weakness. The laborers are afraid of him as plague. The laborers are afraid of him as plague. He lends his master goods when his master is in need. He lends his master's own goods when his master is in need. He wears short vest of coarse woolen cloth. He wears short vest of coarse woolen cloth. We will see the other characters in the next session. Thank you for watching this. Please subscribe this.